JORUM is one of the highest quality UK-based educational resource repositories, and unlike some of the other repositories we've looked at, this repository actually does house some of its resources, so it maintains them, and therefore the link integrity is usually very, very good. But let me show you quickly how you browse in JORUM. To browse in JORUM, all you have to do is go down to the little icon of the magnifying glass and click on Find. It's going to bring up the Find search page, in which you can also do your basic searching, but in this case we're going to use it to browse. So I'm going to go ahead and go down to HE subject categories and click on Expand, and you'll see the primary categories that this repository organizes its resources in. I'm going to go ahead and select Medicine and Dentistry. We see it has 306 resources in that category. And I'm going to go ahead and then click on File Format. And notice File Format isn't giving you the categories such as simulation, tutorial, game, but it does tell you the format with which the resource was made, which gives you a clue as to how interactive it might be. So I'm going to go ahead and select Shockwave Flash, because those can be more interactive, tutorial based. And notice it gives a very brief description. I'm going to focus right here on Basics of DNA. And I'm going to go ahead and click on that resource, and you'll notice it tells you when this resource was added, created, what the licensing conditions are, and I'm going to go ahead and just preview, and I'll click on the Shockwave file to preview it, and I'll be quiet a minute while I play it briefly.
Often a particular piece of DNA or RNA of interest needs to be detected in a mixture containing many pieces with different sequences.
Okay, that gives you an idea. If I wanted to, I could go ahead and download that file to my computer and then upload that to my learning management system if I wanted my students to be able to access that directly from my course. So the browse function in JORUM is pretty basic. It's straightforward and is easy to use. If you'd like to learn more about that, check out my book, Interactive Open Educational Resources.